Hey everyone, if you're getting an Excel file corrupted error in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you several methods to repair and recover corrupted Excel files step by step. First, create a copy of the corrupted Excel file. This prevents accidental data loss while trying different repair methods. Next, open Microsoft Excel and click File, then Open. Browse to your damaged workbook, but don't open it immediately. Click the arrow beside Open and choose Open and Repair. Now select Repair when prompted. Excel will attempt to restore the workbook automatically. If the repair doesn't work, choose Extract Data instead, so Excel may still recover formulas and values from the file. Try opening Excel in safe mode. Add-ins and custom settings sometimes interfere with damaged files. If your file is stored in OneDrive or another cloud service, check version history. Previous versions can help recover lost information. You can also check AutoRecover files or temporary files created by Excel. These backups may contain a working version. If multiple Excel files are showing the same issue, repair Microsoft Office. Damaged program files can cause corruption errors. If you can open the file partially, copy the available data into a new workbook. So this helps save important information. To avoid future problems, use autosave and cloud backups regularly. Keeping backups is the best protection against file corruption. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Excel file corrupted errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.